अगर एक लाइन में हम लोग डिस्क्राइब कर सकते तो फिल्म नहीं बनाते। संजय और म्यूजिक को अलग करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। सिनेमैटिक, ऑपरेटिक एंड स्पेशल, वो तो आप ही कहिए, ये तो मैं खुद के बारे में मैं क्यों बोलूँ। Sanjay and my working relationship will be everybody else on the set. My God, it's so different here. Because an action replay is a very chatter-patter character. क्या कर रहे हो? Autobiography लिख रहे हो? I don't believe you. I know you all are going to meet me again. पसंद की बात तो म्यूजिक मुझे पसंद है। अब कब सुनूंगी? म्यूजिक is like your best friend. Do I love music? Yes, absolutely. I love music. Bye.
Were you prepared for such a grand evening? You know, did you know that the evening is going to be like this, and even you're going to be part of it, and you're going to go upstairs and sing the song also with the whole cast? I mean, were you prepared for it? Did you know what's coming?
Were we prepared about? We had some idea about what the evening is going to be like, but in terms of, I think, spontaneously, everybody just being pulled up and singing kind of reminded us of us being on the sets. This is the way we were. I think Sanjay very cleverly has shown you all also the snippets of the making. On set we used to be like this, and it's true. Sanjay used to be calling Shell, and you know, invariably they used to just start humming tunes, singing, and we all used to join in. And you know, the tunes were catchy. They were very much in keeping with the film.
कैसा लग रहा हूँ?
थोड़ी nervous, but very handsome.
One word या one line में describe करना हो तो
बहुत मुश्किल है। अगर एक लाइन में हम लोग डिस्क्राइब कर सकते तो फिल्म नहीं बनाते। So it's very difficult to describe it, the entire experience of this film, या जो फिल्म की कहानी है, या जिस तरह से फिल्म बनाई गई या म्यूज़िक बनाई गई। संजय बंसाली की जो फिल्में हैं, अभी मैं कहूँगी तो आई गेस सबसे जायज़ भी है, क्योंकि I've worked on 3 movies. Very blessed to have had that opportunity as an actor. We both always say that what we have is a very special connection. We don't need to say much to each other, and we're just connected. A look, and we kind of know, which is just very special. I mean, for let's say Hrithik, who came on for the first time to seeing us together, he'd be like, oh my God, the two of you. And then, you know, of course, then I'd keep saying, yeah, but you're Ethan and you're the favorite, and we do all this on the set. And then Sanjay say, yeah, you know, at the end of the day, you and me have worked together before, and he'd be... So we'd fool around like this, but very honestly, or for Aditya, who, you know, is a very new actor. And yes, we had started working together on Action Replay. Aditya is also an Action Replay. And that schedule, we had done one extensive schedule, actually a large part of the film already, before we came to work on Guzarish together. And Aditya keeps saying, my God, it's so different here. Because an Action Replay is a very chatter-patter character, Mala, in that film.
जोर का झटका है जोरों से लगा, हाँ लगा। शादी बन गई उम्र कैद की सजा, हाँ सजा। ये है उदासी, जान की प्यासी, शादी से अच्छा तुम ले लो फांसी।
I have an extension to the same question, since it was your third film, is your third film with him. What was that one Guzarish that you had of him and you said, okay, let me come fulfill this, you know, in your third film? That one single Guzarish, Farmaish, whatever that you might have had, that Sanjay fulfilled for you.
There's no Guzarish. Because I've worked with Sanjay before, and twice already on such big experiences, and I say big because you can see it in the nature of the cinema itself, be it Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam or be it Devdas. Get down to the characters, be it Nandini or Paro. In both the movies, I got to explore such an arc, such a journey emotionally as a character.
तुम पतंग उड़ा, मैं तुम्हारी फिरकी पकड़ूं। कल मुझे तुम्हारे नाक के नीचे से कोई उड़ा ले जाएगा और तुम कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे।
तुम्हारे पास है ही क्या देव? सिर्फ रूप और दौलत?
मेरे पास गुण भी है, रूप भी है, और आज के बाद दौलत भी। आज से तुम्हारी हमारी बराबरी होगी देव। अगर लोग तुम्हें जमींदार कहेंगे तो मैं भी ठकुराइन सुनकर इतराऊंगी। A little different from Nandini and Paro in the sense that Sophia is it's a very contained character. So there are lots of silences as opposed to he keeps teasing about how talkative I am, but there are a lot of silences.
Worked in 3 films with Hrithik, and Hrithik said it's not enough. But what about you? And my second question is, a lot is being talked about the intimate scenes in the film. What do you have to say about did you have difficulty shooting the scenes, and what was it?
Firstly, the first part of the question, when you say how is it working together again with Hrithik to begin with, you've seen it in the cinema we've worked on together.
पाकीज़ा से रिश्ते हैं, कोई कलमा मोहब्बत का दोहराते फरिश्ते हैं।
Three distinctly different films, and as very greedy actors, which is what we are, and very, very committed actors, it's wonderful when you get the opportunity to explore a different character each time, and a different genre each time. So, and having, I think, it's you kind of grow as artists together with each experience. And because they're so different, you kind of feel, oh my God, there's so much more to discover. There's so many other roles to do. There's so much more in cinema, and that's the way we are. Like I keep saying, we're very dramatic. We get very excited about cinema. We love our work. In terms of this other aspect that you're talking about, I think much has been fabricated by you all because you haven't seen the film. So I think you'll need to see the film before these unnecessary stories are created, because I think you'll be unnecessarily veering the audience's mindset away from the content of the film itself. And these stories have been created by you, and believe you me, very, very unwarranted, because when you see the film, there'll be none of what you guys are talking about. So.
एक्शन रिप्ले और गुजारिश, किसका संगीत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है?
अभी आपका ही जो।
सेंटर लुक प्लीज।
अच्छा, अब hello, he's asked the question. Let me at least give him some respect.
किसका गाना ज़्यादा सुकून देता है? वैसे दोनों फिल्म आपकी है।
किसके गाने?
एक्शन रिप्ले और गुजारिश।
Well, yes, I do have 2 films coming out, releasing within a very short span of each other. Something like this has never happened in my career before. But it's with great pleasure that I'd like to tell the members of the media and my audience is that they're so different. Evidently, आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया है, गाने के promos भी आ रहे हैं air पर, and you have also heard the music. They're very, very different. You've got to see the look, the characters. You've definitely got an idea of the genres of the film. They're very different from each other. So, I think it's wonderful that I've got the opportunity to share 2 such different films with my audience. And music, please.
मेरा सवाल ये है, सिंपल सा दोनों गाने अच्छे हैं, दोनों का म्यूजिक अच्छा है।
I genuinely love both the music. One is like all.
किस समय आप गुजारिश के गाने सुनना चाहिए, किस समय एक्शन रिप्ले सुनना चाहिए? ऐश्वर्या का मूड किस वक्त गुजारिश सुनने का करेगा?
क्या कर रहे हैं आप? ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखवा रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं आपकी पसंद लोगों तक पहुंचा रहा हूँ।
पर पसंद की बात, तो म्यूजिक मुझे पसंद है। अब कब सुनूंगी? म्यूजिक is like your best friend. I think there is no specific time or occasion or mood for it. I mean, I think you'll listen to music either because you're in the mood of that music or because you want to change your mood. That's up to you. That's up to your choice. But do I love music? Yes, absolutely. I love music.
पानी मिले ना मारो ऐसी जगह।
We spoke about the intimate scenes, Aishwarya, but I just want to know.
I don't know why you all are doing that.
No, it's been reported in the print, but we just want to know, as Indian actors, is there a kind of is there a kind of skepticism when it comes to enacting a romantic scene or intense scene?
See, romance and intensity has different definitions and interpretations depending on your filmmaker and on the genre of the film and the story that the filmmaker is trying to tell. Thank you.